Now, some people like to battle Pokemon, some people like to complete their Pokedex, but me and so many others, we like to build them houses. And I also like to turn them into cakes, which is why today we are creating a Pokemon Pokopia Mosslax cake. My name is JK Denim. That is Gizmodo. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm shooting these videos. Oh, he's going. He's leaving. I've been obsessed with Pokemon Pokopia ever since it came out. I think it's one of my favorite Pokemon games. Now, this game looks cute and harmless, but make no mistake, it'll steal 400 hours of your life. Okay, now let's start on this beautiful ball of moss. And we're making him with ube cake. Now, this cake needed max cozy energy, and I wanted it to feel like it belonged in a magical forest somewhere. But also, I had no idea what it was gonna look like, because I never made this cake before. In my head, it looks like an amazing cake, but in real life, sometimes fondant has other plans. Now, he is iconic. It's a Snorlax, but a Snorlax that gave up and became landscape, which is so crazy, but it also makes so much sense. Because of how much we see him sleep in the games and the television shows, you kind of wonder why green wasn't a part of his original design to begin with. He would definitely have more moss on him than those slow-moving tree sloths. And he's basically like a Pokemon juggernaut, the immovable object. And not to get political, but Mosslax would be great at a protest and holding the line. I can imagine him just lying there, sleeping, holding a sign that says, "We shall not be moved." And he definitely will not be moved. Now, don't get me wrong, I love battling, but sometimes I want to just spend time with my Pokemon and just reorganizing my fake digital life. I think that the decorating aspects are genius and so expansive. They allow you to create far more than what you can in Animal Crossing. And I love that you can build into the sky. But I hate that you think that you're just moving one tree and then you spend 7 hours building a forest. This whole video is just going to be me complaining about how much time I spent playing Pokemon. Now, if you haven't been playing Pokopia. Now, Pokopia is basically Animal Crossing with Pokemon. So if you haven't started playing and you're a very productive person, then don't do it. I don't know if it's worth ruining all your relationships. I love this game. It makes me feel like I'm building an emotional connection with my Pokemon, which is my favorite part of the show. You know, watching the trainers and the Pokemon build trust, which is why the battles carry so much emotional weight. I love that you get to see a bunch of them just walking around and relaxing all the time instead of just hiding and existing inside a Pokeball. But again, this game is dangerous. Can't count how many times I started playing at 2 p.m. and then finished playing at 2 a.m. It's just too much. I love that his ability is literally eating and sleeping while he's hunched over. Is he sitting or laying down? I'm not sure what position he's in, but whatever it is, I respect it. This man's entire job is snacking. That's my dream job. Do you know how many applications I sent to Frito-Lay's so that I could be a potato chip tester? Enough that I got a cease and desist letter. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what I want to do with my life. He's living my life. He's living my dream. Animal Crossing, Pokemon Pokopia, even The Sims. I think I have a spiritual connection with these types of games. I love building environments. And even in my real life, all I do is create, which is why I love Pokopa. I can't say this. I can't say this name, man. I love Pokopia so much. And voila, our Pokemon Mosslax cake is complete. Such a beautiful big boy. I'm so excited to cut into this. I love ube. It has been my favorite cake flavor ever since I was young. All of my birthday cakes growing up were ube cakes from Goldilocks, which doesn't even exist anymore. Shout out to Auntie Cecil for buying all my cakes. Now I have to confess something. I have not played Pokopia. I have not played this game. I don't even have a Switch 2. Not because I don't want to. It's because I don't want to ruin my life again. All that stuff I said about how dangerous this game is, about starting at 2 p.m. and then finishing at 2 a.m., that is all completely true. But it was when I was playing Animal Crossing. During the pandemic, I spent hours building houses, building everything and anything that Tom Nook and my villagers could ever want. And at one point, it felt like my island meant more to me than anything in my actual life. So when I read that Pokopia gives you even more ways to build things, more decorations, more customizations, more ways to ignore your responsibilities, I knew that I could not allow something like that to enter my life again. So instead, I just watch hours and hours of people playing it on YouTube, which is where I got all the information that I just talked about. So instead of spending my energy and time building environments for Pokemon in a game, I've spent it building a Pokemon garden with 3D printed statues. I'm just turning my own space into a Pokemon world. So this cake is probably the closest that I'm gonna get to playing Pokemon Pokopia for now, which is not bad at all. The cakes that I'm currently working on are Peach for Super Mario Galaxy, the movie? I think that's what it's called. I'm not paying attention. And Mystique from X-Men, because I want to create all of the characters that are going to be in Avengers Doomsday. That movie comes out in December, but there's 24 characters that have been announced, and I don't think that's a complete roster, so I've got to get started on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what Pokemon you'd like to see me make next. Now I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.